Lama tak kalau tu. Dengar crunchy
Okay. Okay, is it?
Okay guys, dalam video kali ni dia lain sikit. Kita nak buat something yang kita tak pernah buat. And apa yang kita nak buat ni sekarang, kita pergi beli bahan-bahan untuk masak goreng pisang atau pisang goreng. Okay, jom. You tak follow me, wait inside car. Come.
Inside car,
Okay,
okay.
go, you follow me. You go Sheng-Siang.
Give me some milk.
Milk. You want milk?
Milk.
Ini susu, mana kapur dia? Cari baking powder. Sekejap.
Mana powder?
You can see baking powder.
Oh, baking powder?
Come here. Yes. You got see baking powder?
I can't see that.
Nampak kan? They found it already. I think this around this one. There. Baking. Hah? Ni yeast. Carbonate.
Powder tak mana?
Soda. Ni baking powder. Ni baking soda. Ya, kita ambil ni baking powder ni.
Powder.
Nah, ni powder put inside.
Latte.
Smart happy face.
Wait, I have to find.
You want ke? For what?
Baiklah.
Tak payahlah. Smart happy face pun you nak. Apa ni?
I nampak.
Ya, you nampak tapi buat apa you nak beli? Tak payahlah.
Mana? Dia buat yang apa? Ni ah.
Nak cari lain, kau cari lain. Okay. Tadi kita dah beli barang-barang bahan untuk buat goreng pisang. Okay, kita pakai pisang ni. Alright. Okay, lagi kita perlukan apa bahan-bahan lagi? Baking powder. Show camera. Show like this. Show like this. Like this. Then kapur.
Can't see.
So in front kapur. Okay, kapur. Then tepung beras. Show.
Rice flour.
Rice flour. Come.
Belakang sikit tak nampak.
Okay, and one more tepung. Ni, show.
Ni apa?
This is what? Tepung ubi.
Tepung ubi. Tengok.
Ni bukan. Ni pisang banana. Bukan ni. So bahan tu kita dah beli, dah ada dah. Satu nanti kita tinggal nak buat je, okay? Tinggal nak buat je, right? Okay, you say, okay, jom.
Okay, jom.
Okay, dia punya challenge sekarang ni kita tak boleh ni tau. Tak boleh tengok YouTube atau reference kat Google.
This one,
Okay.
you put inside here.
Ni tepung apa ni?
Tepung beras.
Ya, tepung beras.
Nah, bang.
Aish. Kau nak lapar main kaki?
Mak lambat.
Ada you buat je. Nak busuk dah bisa kita tu.
Satu. Bagi
Ha.
kayu. Bagi kayu lah.
Buka bola lah. Stupid boy.
Sana yang hand. Tengok.
2.
5.
5.
Yes.
Seven.
Okay, and then this one.
Ada apa?
Setengah sudu.
Boleh. Your face baru bangun tidur. Baru bangun tidur. What's that?
Baking powder.
Okay.
That is a shaker. A shaker?
Tu kat shaker baking powder.
Ini a shaker lah.
Gatuk-gatuk.
Sebab tak boleh keluar.
Macam betul lah.
Okay dah.
Oh.
Cold water.
Must put cold water. Okay.
I need to like.
Okay. You help me clean up. You cleanliness. Lagi.
Peanut best.
Betul. So like machine I use like this.
Oshi Coca-Cola. There was like milk.
Milk.
It was like you make some milk.
You off.
Sure.
Off your machine. Off.
Obviously. I know, eh?
On.
Yalah.
Lagi.
Make me milk.
Nah, ada kuning kan? Gila.
I like piece of milk.
Yes,
Piece of red milk.
Okay, faster. Do like that. Okay.
And then I like
Right. Oh, you stop? Oh, I must start lah. Okay.
I'm tired now.
I start. Dah. Oh, you copy me ya. Okay. Ni dah. Now,
Ini dah.
you put aside.
Put the tutti
Let's cut the bird. Macam ni. Dah expired je.
Ba na.
Right. Okay, cut.
Oh. Ini try dia banyak.
Dia bukan perdana yang boleh makan kan?
Boleh lah.
Sedap.
Boleh.
No like normal pisang.
Kenapa? Kenapa, B?
Okay, son. Must put cold water. Huh? Just put inside. Just leave it inside. Okay. All put inside. Okay. Drop it. Yes. Right,
Kita tambah air
In my hand.
Belum.
So
Ini,
slow.
Yalah, master. Inside. Slowly. Ini udah standby dalam. Kita masukkan.
Salah.
Betul. Tak ada minyak lah. Sekejap. Apa? Minyak tak ada roket. Dah macam banana splash. Banana mash. Ini pun panjang lagi. Ini paling panjang sikit. Sikit tadi tu paling sikit. Oh, lama tak kalau tu. Wah! Oh, angkat ke kamera. Diam lah. Slip. Tapi kau suangan ni. Itu.
Just dia tu.
Sawak muntah. Nampak sangat tak jadi. Ini yang dia dah dibancuh oleh Muhammad Ais. Ini yang tengah goreng. Tak tahu jadi ke tak. Bagus.
Ni dah.
Alhamdulillah dah siap. Okay, now
Dah siap.
this one is for chocolate eh.
It's for chocolate. I know. Chocolate.
Okay. Nah ni
Nak sampai kicap.
sampai kicap. Yes, ada. Oh, lama.
Ada
Dah,
chocolate.
it's over set.
Okay, saya put aside first.
Ya.
Wah.
Hmm.
Okay, can I
No,
eat
chocolate
it?
syrup lah. Okay, take some more chocolate rice.
Be good.
Bukan makan dulu. Okay, take. Okay, put at the. See. That.
This one next lah.
Put this in.
Sikit je. Cerita.
Dah. Dah. Sikit.
Okay, ni chocolate pisang goreng. Goreng pisang.
Oh, I smell.
You smell? Why you want to smell? Dengar crunchy
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, is it cookie? I try chocolate one.
Oh. Kalau sedap ya?
Crunchy.
Inside.
Get it?
Inside.
RM7 ya? Oh, apa tu? Gigi ya. You don't eat the chocolate, no, you eat the banana. See? Okay. Ni, sampai kicap.
I know this.
You makan dulu, lepas tu nanti ni kita makan dulu, nanti kita rate. Dengan coklat sedap ke, sama kicap sedap ke?
Wait, I one.
Oh, crunchy mat.
I try chocolate one. Dengar tak? Ni sedap
Macam dia sambal.
Sedap.
Speechless.
Dia 50 sedap.
Keju tak ada. Kau
Dengan sambal kicap.
kalau ada keju ha. Ada pisang keju, coklat, pisang keju original.
Tak. Dengan sambal kicap sedap.
Yang ada lah. Ada.
Tiga.
What? Nak try ni? Nak try? Try boleh tak? Ya. Tapi nak makan dah.
Jangan lah. Kita nak makan. Okay guys, itu saja pada video kali ini. Kita jumpa next video, right?
Subscribe.
Okay, bye-bye.
A few inches later.
Just now my goreng pisang, chocolate and original, right? Nice or not? Nice. Out of 10, you give what, how much?
$6.
Huh?
$6.
6-7 je?
Yeah.
6-7 je?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love $6.
Nice or not?
Nice.
If nice, you give 10. If not nice, you give 1. Which one?
Wait. 6, 7.
6 also. 6-7. Just now I cook chocolate and original.
Both nice.
Out of 10,
I give 9 out of 10.
for chocolate.
No, both.
Okay.
Chocolate 10 out of 10.
7.
Yeah, adik. Just now I give you what? How much? The goreng pisang how much? 10. 10 eh?
This is $6, $7.
10.
This is $6, $7. I mean, I feel like I think
Itulah rate dia. Okay. First time kita buat, first time jadi. And okay lah, jadilah consider. Rasalah pisang tu. Okay, so apapun kita jumpa kat next video, right? Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.